Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Bismillah. Today, I'm going to explain about question 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so the first question is about find the IP address of ulearn.utem.edu.my. So this is the result that I searched from the web-based D. This one. So the IP address is this 101.198.52.31. So the next one is what is the explanation time for this record? So for this we look at the explanation time is this one 3600 seconds. Convert to minutes, divide by 60 seconds, something like that. And then question number 3, the answer for unit is a record of type NS. So what does NS mean? So NS stands for name server. It is a type of DNS record that indicates which server is authoritative for a particular domain, meaning it is responsible for responding to queries about that domain. So I will pass the next question to my teammate.
Okay, nampak? Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haikal from BRC 11. So for the question 4, the question asks for to find the difference in query time between the host, which is this is the host, and also the client server, which is this. So from here, the host query time is 32 millisecond. For this time running, I get 34 millisecond, and for the server time is 0 millisecond. So for the question number 5, why does this particular command return the names of the root ransomware? Because the dot represent the root of the DNS hierarchy, and second is asking for NS record of the root return the authoritative name server responsible for the DNS root zone. Okay, for the question number 6, the question asks to dig the root server ulearn.utem.edu.my plus Nocus. So this is the dig for the root. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, okay. Assalamualaikum. Okay, so I'll be covering the question number 7. So the question number 7 asks us to find the IP address of the link ulearn.utem.edu.my, but with no recursing. So we have to find the IP address manually one by one by tracing it from the main server of the root, progressing to the next suggested server until we can find the actual IP address of the link. Okay, so this is the command for running the ulearn search from the server root. Okay, so from this we can see the authority section that we have lots of options that we can use to trace the link. So I will try to use this one and just replace the link to from where we try to search the ulearn link. Alright, okay. From here, we can see that it suggests us to try to search it from these two link utem01 and utem02. So we try to use this utem01, right? We can just ignore the additional section. It will just give us the actual actual answer. Alright, so from here we can see that the answer section is the IP address of the utem.ulearn.utem.edu.my is 103.198.52.31. So just from these three steps we can see, or we can find the ulearn IP address accordingly. Okay, so with that, thank you.